Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add a downloadable file to your Wix website, no matter what type of file you want your visitors to grab, whether it's a PDF, a Word doc, an image, or pretty much anything else. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up a download button on your site that hands your audience your chosen file instantly, making your site way more interactive and useful. All right, let's jump right in. First things first, head over to your Wix editor. What we're looking to do is add a button that users can click to download your file. To start, look for the option that lets you add elements to your site. On Wix, this is usually on the left side and might just be called Add or Add Element. Give that a click. It opens up all the different things you can drop onto your page, from text boxes and images to, you guessed it, buttons. Now choose Button from the list of elements. Buttons are great because they really stand out to your visitors, and people instinctively know to click them for actions. Drag the button onto your page wherever you want it to appear. Wix gives you a lot of flexibility here. So don't worry too much about exact placement. You can always move it around or tweak the size and design later. After your button is in place, click on it so you can rename it. You might want to call it Download Now, but honestly, anything works here. Something descriptive like Get My PDF or Download Recipe will help your users know what they're getting. It's a tiny detail, but a clear call to action helps build trust and make sure your visitors aren't confused about what clicking the button will do. Next up, let's connect your button to the actual file you want people to download. With the button still selected, look for the link icon or the setting that lets you add a link. Click on it, and you'll see a few choices of what you can link to. One of them will say Document. Choose Document, and you'll be prompted to upload the file you want. This is your moment to pick whatever downloadable file you've prepared, whether it's a PDF guide, an audio file, Excel spreadsheet, pretty much anything that your users might benefit from. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the right file here. If you're not sure, you can always download it yourself later just to double-check it's the right version and totally ready for your users. Once it's in the Wix system, your button is set up to link directly to it. Now, before you hit publish or make any promises to your users, it's best to preview your site. Click that preview button in the editor, which lets you test everything out in a safe mode. Find the button you just added and try clicking it. If all goes well, your computer should start downloading the document instantly. If not, don't worry. Just double-check your link settings or try uploading the file one more time. Sometimes files get a bit quirky, but Wix's preview mode is perfect for troubleshooting. And that's it. In just a couple of minutes, you've made your Wix site much more valuable by letting people download files directly. This is super useful for sharing resources, offering freebies, or making information easily accessible to your visitors. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit the like button to let me know. And if you have any questions or hit a snag anywhere, just drop a comment below. I check them regularly and I'm happy to help out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Wix site.